Good evening, teacher. My name is Sonia Edith Diaz Gutierrez. We are going to talk about the pronunciation of the 24 consonant sounds, which are classified as voiceless and voice sounds. Okay, to begin, what is a consonant? It's a type of sounds produced when the air coming out of the lungs is blown or modified in some way. Here we find the classification of consonants. Number one, plosive. In this pronunciation, the air is blown and then released. Example, pen. Number two, effricate. Here we blow the air and layer out with friction. Example, change. Number three, fricatives. It is called because it is produced when air passes through another opening in the mouth. Example, think. Nasal. It is called nasal because it is produced when air comes out through the nose instead of the in. For example, 9. Lateral. It is produced when air comes out through the sides of the tongue instead of down the center. Example, love. Number 6. Approximate. It is produced when the articulators, the tongue lips approach each other, but don't completely block the airflow. Example, yes. A voice. The sound is produced solely with the movement of the articulators. Example, pen. Bilabial. Here the sound is produced when the two lips come together or approach each other to block the airflow. Example, mother. And voice. The sound is produced when the vocal cords vibrate as the air passes through. And voice consonants. K, G, Z, voice consonants. B, D, G, J, B, Z, D, M, N, ink, all, R, yeah, wa. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Juliet, and the next topic is unvoiced consonants. Unvoiced consonants are those that are pronounced without vibrating the vocal cords when they are in your lips, the mouth. There is no vibration in the throat, and you only hear the sound of the air hitting the lips, teeth, or tongue. Place your fingers on your throat and say the words pen, pen. You won't feel any vibration because P is an unvoiced consonant. The sound of P is P, P, P. Repeat after me. P, P. Pen, pat, pit, pet, pick, poke. Next is T, T, T. Repeat the words. T, T, tap, dot, ten, test, talk. The next is key, key, key. Repeat the words. Cat, cat, kite, black, back, ski, kite. The next is ch, 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 ch. Repeat the word. Shame, shame, child, shoes, short, chat, cheese. The next is F, F, F. Flower, flower. Fan, fat. Fox, fish. Cuff, cuff. The next is thin, thin. The next is S, S. C, Z. Sat, sat. Set, sun, sand. Snake. This letter is sh, sh, sh. Repeat after me. Shoe, shoe. Shop, shoot, shine, ship. The next letter is hat, hat. Hen, hen. Happy, happy. House, house. Hello, hello. Thank you.
Hello, hello, how are you? How's it going? I hope you are well. Okay, my name is Gualberto Esteban Ortega Paez, and today we are going to learn how to pronounce the consonant sounds in English. In this opportunity, we are going to work with voice consonants. Those consonants are the ones that produce vibration when pronounced. Let's continue. Let us begin. Okay, this consonant is the letter B. This consonant is pronounced just like this. Ba, ba, ba. Let's pronounce the next words. Let us begin. Buy, bird, bow, bread, boat, bed. Let's continue. This consonant is the letter D. This consonant is pronounced just like this. Da, da, da. Let's pronounce the next words. They, dad, dog, did, bird, dig. This consonant is the letter G. This consonant is pronounced just like this. G, g, g. Let's pronounce the next words. Go, game, girl, bag, lock, guy. This consonant is pronounced just like this. Ja, ja, ja. Let's pronounce the next words. Jump, job, jungle, bridge, jazz, juice. The next. This consonant is letter V. V. This consonant is pronounced just like this. V, V, V. Let's pronounce the next words. Love, verb, have, vote, vowel, live. This consonant is pronounced just like this. V, v, v. Let's pronounce the next words. Dad, this, father, the, or the, other, then, those. Let's continue. This consonant is the letter Z. This consonant is pronounced just like this. Z, z, z. Let's pronounce the next words. Zip, zoo, zebra, zip, zoom, yaz. This consonant is pronounced just like this. Z, z, z. Let's pronounce the next words. Vision, pleasure, division, beige, measure, television. This consonant is the letter M. This consonant is pronounced just like this. M, M, M. Let's pronounce the next words. Magic, mouse, minute, my, jam, man. Let's continue. This consonant is the letter N. This consonant is pronounced just like this. N, N, N. Let's pronounce the next words. Now, no, no, never, need, not, or not. Let's continue. This consonant is pronounced just like this. N, N, N. Let's pronounce the next words. Bring, song, strong, playing, running, finger. Let's go. This consonant is the letter L. This consonant is pronounced just like this. L, L, L. Let's pronounce the next words. Nasal, lips, lord, while, lab, let. Let's continue. This consonant is the letter R. This consonant is pronounced just like this. R, R, R. Let's pronounce the next words. Rooster, run, rock, red, rainbow, record, read. Let's continue. This consonant is pronounced just like this. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's pronounce the next words. Yellow, yellow, yes, yuck, you. Let's continue. The next one. This consonant is the letter W. And this consonant is pronounced just like this. Wa, wa, wa. Let's pronounce the next words. Awake, wet, wind, water, we, wood, wood. Okay, teacher, that's all. Thank you so much for your attention. See you next time. Bye bye. God bless you.